Hi, in this video we are going to understand why unsupported temporal exception is thrown. So currently we check out instant now and date time formatter use of pattern. So when we format this instant, then exception is thrown. We run this program and see what type of exception we can catch. Now unsupported field, and now we can see in program. Now we take here one instance and directly we convert it to the pattern. So basically instance is not directly convert to the date time formatter. We can use time zone. So using time zone we can convert to, and also we can format to another time zone. So now we first create one time zone, one formatter using UTC solid local date with zone and UTC format. Now and also I create another instant, and it is a now UTC, and I format instance formatter format instance. Currently here one warning say now no it is mistake. So here catch for after formatting in string. Now I remove this and I add one SOP instant, and second one is after formatting now UTC. And run this program. Now we can see that currently exception is removed. We can get time of instant. So here we can add the time zone. So using time zone we can convert and format the instance date. So this way we can solve the issue.